Hi guys, today we are going to disassemble this grab handle from a Subaru Impreza GF8 or GC8, the first generation Impreza. So first of all you need a small flat screwdriver, and you can see there's a small hole here to put a flat screwdriver, and you can see this is where the bolt is, and you need to do the same thing on the other side. Once you take out the second bolt, you can see the grabber handle is coming off. You don't need to push it in some direction, there's no clip or something like this. And that's it. This is how you remove the grab handle. If you need more parts for your Subaru Impreza, please contact us with the email in the description below. We have all the parts available, we ship worldwide. If you want more videos, please subscribe, and if the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much.